Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Ride Trades. Today we're going to be changing it up here and doing another road vehicle. And we're going to be building this extended crew cab Isuzu box truck here. So let's get right into the build. So we're going to start off on the front end, so come where you want the very front to be. And we need smooth quartz slabs on the upper hip box, 4 wide. So it's floating in the air. Then a birch sign on either side of the front of it. Behind it, 4 polished blackstone slabs. And then an acacia sign on each side of that. Then behind this, we'll go back to polished blackstone slabs, and we're going to put a 2x2 in the center. Then on each side of the back, a block of coal. And we're going to put a stone button on the side of each block of coal here. Then we'll come behind this in the middle with polished blackstone slabs again and do a 2x3 in the center here. Now we'll come on the front middle and put 2 birch fences right here, 2 birch fence gates in front of it. Behind it, we'll do 2 rows of blackstone brick walls to the back of this. Then down here behind the wheel, we're going to put 3 dark oak fence gates and 3 on this side. Come up on this polished blackstone block, put 2 smooth quartz here, 2 on this side, 2 on the top middle. Then we're going to put a stone button on the side here, 2 up here, and 1 on the side here. Then behind this, take smooth quartz stair, and we're going to put an upside down stair facing backwards, and then a slab. Same thing here, an upside down stair, then a slab. Then 3 smooth quartz blocks right here, and 3 on this side. Then another row of smooth quartz blocks to the back on each side here. Now we'll come up inside here, and we'll put a dark oak fence gate and a lever. Turn around behind it, 2 dark oak stairs for seats, skip a block and another 2. Behind it, 2 smooth quartz. Then we're going to take out polished diorite wall, and we're going to put 2 diorite walls here, 2 here. Then we'll skip forward on the side here, another 2 walls right here, and 2 on this side. Then take out cyan stained glass blocks on this back middle, a 2x2, and bring that 2x2 forward. And we'll stop when we get right here. Then take cyan stained glass panes, a 2x2 on the side here, come across the front 2 layers, and fill in this side so it comes around the corner. Then a 2x2 here, and a 2x2 on this side. Then we're going to put a polished blackstone button on the side right here, and 1 right here. Same thing over here, a button here and here. Then we're going to do the mirrors, so take out iron bars. And we need to get 1 right here with a black stained glass pane above it. Same thing on this side, an iron bar and a black stained glass pane. Then we need to come in and get white carpet here. And we're going to start 1 block behind this right here with white carpet, and then we'll cover the rest of this roof with white carpet. So it looks like this. Now we're going to come behind this on this bottom middle, and we're going to put 2 rows of polished blackstone slabs in the center, and it's going to be 13 blocks long in total. Then we'll come up here on this side, and we're going to take out this 1 dark oak fence gate. We're going to put 3 polished deep slate walls and a wither skeleton skull. Then we'll come on top of this, and we'll cover these slabs with 2 rows of polished blackstone brick walls. And bring that down to the back here. Then we'll come to this side up here. Right here in this corner, a wither skeleton skull. Then on the top, behind it, 3 chiseled polished blackstone and a stone button on the middle of it. Then we'll come to the back on the 4th block from the end here, and we're going to put a block of coal on the bottom right here for the wheel. And then same thing, a block of coal on this side on the fourth block end. Then a stone button on the side of each of those. Now come into a loom with a black banner and brown dye and do this fade. Then we're going to do a yellow banner, light gray dye, put a border on it, and a horizontal in the center. This brown one is for the mud flap, put one on the back of this tire, one on the back of this tire. Then we'll come up front, the other one's for the headlights, so we'll put one here and one here. Then actually up here, take this button off and put 3 more chiseled polished blackstone and the button on the side of that. Then right here, 2 smooth stone slabs in front of it and 2 rows of smooth stone slabs behind it to the very back. Then we'll come up here on this side and 2 rows of smooth stone slabs to the very back, because the box actually sticks out wider than the cap. Bring that right to the back here. Then on this back end, on each corner coming off the slabs, we'll put a sideways dark oak fence gate here and here. Then across the middle here, we'll put 4 dark oak trapdoors. Then we'll come and stand on top of it and crouch. And across this back, we need to put 6 black carpet coming sideways. Then we'll come up to this front corner with smooth stone slabs, and we're going to start stacking the slabs up. And we want to come so it's 2 blocks above the cab roof here. And we'll do the same thing in this corner to that same height. Then we'll come to the back corner and stack up our slabs to that same height. And on this corner. Then we'll go to a smooth quartz block and fill in between here to the top with smooth quartz. Then we'll do the same thing for this whole side. Fill this all into the top with smooth quartz blocks and bring that down to the back. And then of course, we'll do the other side. Fill this whole side into the top with smooth quartz blocks. And we'll bring that down to the back. Just like that. Then inside of here, we're going to skip 1 block behind the smooth stone slabs and fill this to the top with smooth quartz. Then in this gap, we're going to fill it all in with white stained glass panes, just so the back door comes in a little bit here. So we're looking like this, and now we'll come up top with smooth stone slabs again, and we're going to go all the way around the top outside edge with them. Then come right across this stained glass and back up this side. Then we need to get smooth quartz slabs here, and we're going to fill the whole rest of this roof in with smooth quartz slabs up here. So fill it in 4 wide and bring it all the way to the front. Now take out a acacia button and put 1 here and here. Come to this side, 1 here and here. Then up here, a stone button on the right hand side. Then down here, an acacia button here and here. And then 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to come down to the back and we'll put a button on the side of the back here. So 1 here, 1 over on this side. Then come up top, 1 here and here, then 1 here and here. Now come down under the rear end here, and down here we're going to put 2 dark oak fence gates, and then 2 on this side right here. Then on the edges of the dark oak fence gates back here, we're going to put a glow item frame on each side with a redstone block in them for the taillights. Then come back here and put a dark oak fence gate right here for the latch. Then we're going to come in and grab polished blackstone button again. And right here we'll do a reverse L shape. And then we'll I'll come over to this side and do an L shape over here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Minecraft Crew Crab Isuzu box truck. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, everyone.